So each time we finished the end of one part of this tutorial, because it's divided up into 5 parts, I'm going to be asking you to save a copy as a JPEG file that you're going to then submit to Teams. So what we'll do is we will go to the File menu and make sure that Photoshop is the active application. You should see the name Photoshop up here in the corner of the screen, and then we can go to File, Save As. We want to save it on our computer, always. And when we're in the little Save dialog box, if you're seeing the minimized version like this, remember that you can open this up, and from there you can easily find the desktop and find the folder where you want to save this file. So I'm going to double click on the Introduction to Photoshop name, and then here I'm going to change the format. By using Save As, you're going to still have this original Photoshop file that has all its different layers. When we save it as a JPEG, it's going to flatten all those layers, create a nice small file that you can then submit to Teams. So I'm changing the format to JPEG. I know where I've saved it to, so I can find it, but now I need to change the name a little bit too. So I'm going to add on to this name with a hyphen and then Part 1. And then when you finish Part 2, you're going to do the same thing. So you'll have a series of JPEG files, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, that will then be submitted to Teams. So I've changed the name, I've ensured the format is JPEG, I know where I'm saving it to, and I click Save. We're going to make sure that in this second dialog box that the format option says Baseline Standard, and we're going to ask for Maximum Quality. And then we click OK, and that's it. Now you've saved out a version of this file in a different file format, but you'll notice that you still have your PSD file, that Photoshop document file that contains all of your layers, that allows you to continue to work on this.